Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and we've picked up a new position today in the caravan and motorhome industry, mainly in the repair aspect. So if you're looking for a kickstart of a career in this particular area, keep watching this video. This could be an opportunity for you. So as I mentioned in the intro there, we've got a new position going for one of our clients on the north side of Brisbane, up at Burpengary. And they are one of the largest retailers of caravans and motorhomes in southeast Queensland. And they have a position going in their workshop, and it's for an apprentice recreational vehicle technician. And basically it's the service and repairs of caravans and motorhomes. So it's quite a new qualification that's come through, and they're looking for somebody who has a keen interest in that particular field, somebody who likes playing with both 12 volt and 240 volt with a lot of the products that they do get through there. And it could be anything from accessory fitting right through to the actual repairs of the caravans or motorhomes. It's certainly a growing industry. Yeah, their business is obviously growing as well, and they're now on the lookout for 2 apprentices in this particular area. These are full-time positions that we have going. They are predominantly Monday to Friday. There is the occasional Saturday that may need to be worked, but it is mainly Monday to Friday. And we've got an open age on this one, so there's no criteria there. We would prefer somebody who does have a driver's license and also the ability to get to work, say your own vehicle, mainly because of where they're located. And this position is for an immediate start. So as soon as we can find the right person, then they're ready to go. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification button, and that way you can get notified of positions as they come through our agency straight away. And we will also leave a link in the description below on how you can apply for this particular position. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.